Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Noman and you're watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video I will teach you how you create an e-commerce website using a theme of Mart Fury. So without wasting further ado, let's get started. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. So open your WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance, click on Theme. Now click on Add New Theme and click on Upload Theme. Choose File, add your Mart Fury theme, select your theme and click on install now. Just click on activate and now you can see this is all necessary plugin we need to install and activate it. Just click on Bing installing plugin and select all, click on install and click on apply. Just wait until all plugins are installing. So now you can see all plugin installed successfully. Just click on return to required plugin installer and select all again and click on activate and click on apply. Now you can see all plugin are successfully activated. Just click on dashboard. Close the Elementor tab. So if you want to upload your demo, so we need to add a plugin. Click on add new plugin and now click on upload plugin. Choose file and go to your plugin folder and show demo importer. Click on it and open. Click on install now and now click on activate plugin. So now you can click on appearance and click on import demo data. So now you can see all demo websites here. Just select one which you want to import in your website. Just click on import. I just select Elementor Technology import. Just wait a while until the theme is imported successfully. So now you can see import complete successfully. Just click on dashboard and now visit your website. So here you can see our demo is imported successfully. Now we need to add our logo. Just go back, click on appearance, click on customize. Click on general, site entity, change your web icon here. Just change image. I just upload my website logo just for demo. Select your logo and now you can also crop your logo here. Just crop image and click on publish. Go back. Here you can see home page setting. You can also select your home page here. Here you can see newsletter. I don't need to use newsletter pop up when the website load. Just off this, publish, and now click on style. Here you can see you can also enable lazy load and back to top, and you can also off preloader. Just I off the preloader and click on publish. Go back and you can also choose a color scheme and click on header. You can see the promotion. You can just add a promotion here. Here you can see you have a promotion bar here. and you can also select a background image here. You can also display on home page only, just enable this. I don't want, just I close this. And now click on logo, and here you can see MartFury logo. Just change your logo here. I just add my logo. You can also select a width and height of the logo. And now you click on header layout. You can also choose your header layout here, which you want to, which you like. You just select and click on publish. Now sticky header, you can also use a sticky header. Here you can see a sticky. If you don't want, you can just close this sticky header. And now you can select search. Here you can see in this search we just add a only products search. You can also add everything here. Department is there. Here you can see department. You can also add a department, show by department here. And now hotline, here you can see your hotline number here. You can just also change your hotline number. And this is a card option, account, and header skin. You can also change the skin of your header. Alright, go back, and now you can see WooCommerce store notice. You can also add a store notice here. And now product catalog, product images, variations also show here. Catalog, product page, blog, pages, footer, and just click on footer layout. I just added light footer. You can also add a dark. I just add a gray. Here you can see we change a gray header. And now click on footer copyright, and you can also change a copyright area here. I just add a 24. And now I just add a name of the website. I just use my website name, websites developer .online, all right, reserve. So you can see you can also add a link here of your website. And footer payment, here you can see PayPal using payment. You can also add an image here. Also here you can see PayPal. You can also change an image of your MasterCard. And next image you can also use a PayPal, and third one you can also use a Payoneer, which you want to add in your website. And now click on publish, go back, and you can see footer newsletter. Here you can see newsletter of your footer. You can also add a newsletter form ID here, and footer info, and footer widgets. Here you can see I just add a 4 widgets. Just you can also use a 3 columns. You can also use a 3 columns here. Footer links, you can also add a links of your footer. Recently viewed product. Just click on publish. Now go back to our website, reload website. So now the logo is changed. And now if you need to change your menu here, you just go back and click on appearance, click on menus. And now you can see here primary menu, just select. And here you can see hot deals, smartphone, tablets, laptop, sound. These all are category of your products. You can also add a category of your products here. Just click on product, and here you can see categories. Click on it, and you can also add a category here. I just add electronics. Right, you can also display a product here and add a thumbnail of your category here. Just click on add new product. Product is added, category is added. Now go to your appearance menu. Now you can, if you want to remove this, you can just click on this, and here you can see remove the category here. If you want to remove all, just click on bulk selection and select all, and here you can see remove selection items. I just add a category which I create. So now here you can see there is no product category here. Just click on screen option, and now here you can see checkbox product categories, and now here you can see product categories here, view all, Here you can see electronics. I just add electronics here. So now you can see, if you want to, I just write electronics in and click on save menu. Now reload. So now you can see here electronics is added now. If you want to change your home page, you can just click on edit with Elementor. Close this tab, and now you can see the hero section. You just also add an image here. You can just click on it, and here you can see choose image. You can also create your banner in Photoshop or Canva. You can also change your banner here. Just choose image, upload your banner here and select it, and this is the first banner and second banner is here. You can also write a heading and text. You can just click on content. Here you can see limited edition, the second one limited edition, and here you can see the heading, and here you can see shop now. You can also paste the link of your shop now here, right? Go down and you can see here you can see free delivery. You can just also change the free delivery icon here and free delivery, and you can also change the amount of your free delivery. I just add a 150. So now you can see 150 here. You can also change a second one. Just click on second one, 30-day return and secure payment 24/7, right? And just click on it. If you want to change this products here, you can just add a deal of your, here you can see add a category of your product. So you can see product deal and this week of the day. You can also change here the deal of the day here, and now you click on it, and you can also change the background of this image here. You can just upload here and add a name of the heading here. Here is the title and here is the text here, right? And shop now here. You can also paste a link of your shop now here. This is the same way. And now you can see the categories here. You can also change the categories of your. You can also add a image of your category here and content. Click on name, add a name of your category and link of your category here. This is all the same way. Click on it, and here you can see smartphone products. Here you can see so in this section here you can see smartphone, and this selected smartphone and tablets. You can also select other one, electronics and so on if you want. So here you can see all the category here. Mobile phone, you can also add a mobile phone here. So you can see mobile phone is here. Now scroll down. This is all the same way. This is all same way. You can also select it, and here you can see good price. You can also, here you can see 3 columns. Just add a 4 column here. So now here you can see add column, total products. I just add 10. So now you can see add 10 products here. So when you done your changes, you can just click on update here, and now click on preview your changes. So now you can also see your preview here. Alright, I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.